Hello and welcome to our channel, Chidabrew Techs. As promised in the intro session, this is the ultimate introductory part of your software engineering program. In a nutshell, it will provide you with a comprehensive introduction to computer concepts. This is the basic knowledge you need to understand and use computers. We offer you a solid foundation for any computer-related courses you may take now or in the future. Please bear this point in mind that you'll find parts of the session rather slow. Skip through if you have extensive experience and feel like your programming cannot be improved through greater knowledge of basic principles. Learning objectives. By the conclusion of this session, you are expected to achieve the following. 1. Define the concept of a computer. 2. Recognize and name the essential components of a computer system. 3. Explain the primary operations carried out by computers. 4. Provide an overview of the different generations of computers. 5. Identify various types of computers, accompanied by examples and applications. 6. Discuss both the capabilities and limitations inherent in computer systems. 7. Describe the functioning of digital data representation and delve into computer memory mechanisms. 8. Elaborate on the concept of computer storage and explore the fundamentals of the numbering system. Definition of a computer. A computer is a programmable electronic device that accepts inputs, processes data, outputs the results in the required format, and provides data storage for future use. It suffices to say that nowadays most computers have communications capabilities. Definition breakdown. Technically, the four operations described above are input, processing, output, and storage. These are the four primary operations of a computer. Briefly defined as follows. Input. Entering data into the computer. Processing. Performing operations on the data. Output. Presenting the results. Storage. Saving data, programs, or output for future use. They are also referred to as the information processing circle. Data versus information. Data is the raw, unorganized facts that act as inputs into the computer to be processed. Data can exist in many forms like text, graphics, audio, and video, etc. Then the computer processes it using a set of instructions called a program. Data that the computer has processed into a useful form is called information.